Yo, what is up guys, this is Tito back with another video, and today I'm gonna show you how to flash LineageOS 16 unofficial build on the Redmi Note 7 Pro, and this is based on Android Pie. And follow this video if you want to flash any custom ROM on this device, assuming that you are coming from MIUI. So let's get it done. So from here, as you can see, I am currently on the MIUI 10.2.7 stable build, and for this whole process you need to download total of 5 files and one folder named platform tools, and that is really important. And here are the following files that you need to download only on the device. Now this is the Verity ForceEncrypt file, and this is the LineageOS 16 ROM file, and the LineageOS vendor zip file, or the firmware if you want to call it that way, and the GApps. And the Magisk file is actually not needed here. If you do not have TWRP recovery installed, here is a card for you. Now let's just power off the device and hold volume down and power button together to boot into fastboot mode. Now connect the device with the Type-C cable to your PC. Now we have to do some stuff on the PC. Now on the PC, extract the platform tools zip file, and after you open the extracted folder, it will look like this. This folder is really important, otherwise you can't simply flash this vbmeta.img file, and that vbmeta.img file is really important too. So here make sure to copy this vbmeta.img file, and we need this command which I will provide in the description box below. Now copy this whole text or the command. Now move the cursor on the blank area of this folder. Now press and hold the shift key on your keyboard and right click. Now click on open command window here, or the PowerShell window, whatever it shows for you. Once the CMD is opened, just type fastboot devices and check for the device if it's detected or not. So yes, as you can see here, it's detected. Now simply paste the text or the command which we copied earlier and hit enter. Now hopefully it will say sending writing like this, and once finished, go back to your device. Now press volume up and the power button together on the device until you feel a vibration. Once you feel the vibration, it will boot into your TWRP recovery, and now you can remove the cable too. I just forgot to do that. Now once you are booted into TWRP recovery, just normally go to wipe, then advanced, then from there select Dalvik cache, system, vendor and data. Now swipe to wipe. Once that's done, go home. Now go to install and locate your specific folder where you have downloaded the ROM files. Now the first thing we are gonna flash here is the vendor image file or the firmware file. I'll just uncheck the reboot option and swipe to confirm flash. Now once that's done, go to install again, select the actual ROM file, then add more zip, then select the GApps file, and then add more zip again and select the ForceEncrypt file. Now swipe to confirm flash. Once the flashing says successful, just hit reboot system. And god damn, we have the boot animation of LineageOS here. My hands are shaking out of excitement. So finally it says hello. Now let me just complete the setup here. Oh my god, even the fingerprint scanner is working fine here. Let's select the Trebuchet launcher here as default. And let me go into the settings and show you guys the about section quickly. So the full screen is working and the notch looks cool with stock Android. Inside about phone and Android version, of course the Android version shows as Android 9 or Pie, LineageOS version 16 unofficial build 6th April 2019, March 5th 2019 security patch, August 2019 vendor patch, and the stock kernel here is the Perf Plus kernel. Now let me quickly open the camera here and see if it's working or not. Oh my god, yes, the camera works, and let's take a picture quickly. Looks alright, and even the front camera works. I have tested it later on. So no issues regarding the camera. I am definitely gonna make a review out of this ROM soon, so stay tuned for the full review of the LineageOS 16 on our Redmi Note 7 Pro. Now let me quickly change the wallpaper here because this black wallpaper looks a little bit weird. This one actually looks good to me. So that's pretty much it guys. Thanks so much for watching. Currently I would say the ROM is working buttery smoothly, but I have to test it like thoroughly to tell you guys how is the ROM and is it actually a daily driver. So that is pretty much it guys. Again, thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it out with your friends if you liked it. This has been Tito from Kerry and Tech signing off for today, and we'll be catching you guys in the next one. Have a great day.